One clove a day keeps the doctor away. Welcome to Roco Diet, where we explore the fascinating world of health and nutrition. Today, we're diving into the incredible benefits of chewing cloves daily for just 7 days. Stay tuned to discover how this simple spice can transform your health. Cloves, the tiny aromatic flower buds from the clove tree, have been a staple in kitchens and medicine cabinets for centuries. Known for their distinct flavor and potent medicinal properties, cloves offer numerous health benefits when consumed regularly. In this video, we'll explore the science behind these benefits and how just one clove a day can make a significant difference in your health. Cloves are more than just a flavor powerhouse in your spice rack. They're nature's little pain relievers. At the heart of this magical spice is eugenol, a natural chemical known for its powerful pain-killing properties. Whether you're wrestling with a toothache or battling joint pain from arthritis, chewing cloves can offer a surprising level of relief without the side effects often associated with over-the-counter medications. Eugenol works similarly to lidocaine, a commonly used anesthetic, by numbing the affected area and providing much-needed comfort. The best part? Cloves are a natural remedy, which means you won't be pumping your body full of synthetic chemicals. This is a win-win for those who prefer holistic approaches to managing pain. But the benefits of cloves don't stop there. They're also packed with antioxidants, which help fight off free radicals and boost your overall health. Inflammation, the root cause of many chronic illnesses, can also be alleviated by regular clove consumption. So, next time you're feeling under the weather, reach for this tiny yet mighty spice. It's a small step towards a pain-free and healthier lifestyle. Incorporate cloves into your diet, whether in tea, food, or simply by chewing on them, and experience firsthand the natural relief they offer. Your body will thank you. Anti-inflammatory effects. Cloves are an underrated powerhouse in the world of natural remedies. Their potent anti-inflammatory properties make them a formidable alternative to traditional non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs like ibuprofen. What sets cloves apart is their ability to reduce inflammation without the undesirable side effects commonly associated with synthetic medications. This unique characteristic makes cloves an excellent natural remedy for conditions involving inflammation, such as arthritis and other joint pains. The secret behind this impressive anti-inflammatory effect lies in a compound called eugenol, which is found abundantly in cloves. Eugenol works by inhibiting the production of certain enzymes that trigger inflammation and pain in the body. This natural approach to pain relief can be particularly beneficial for those who suffer from chronic inflammatory conditions and are looking for a more holistic method to manage their symptoms. Integrating cloves into your daily routine can be incredibly simple and versatile. You can add them to your morning tea, incorporate them into your favorite recipes, or even chew on them directly for a quick burst of their beneficial properties. Not only do cloves help with inflammation, but they also come packed with antioxidants that support overall health. In essence, cloves are a small but mighty addition to your wellness arsenal, offering a natural path to pain relief and better health. Antimicrobial properties. Cloves have impressive antimicrobial properties, making them effective against a wide range of bacteria, fungi, and viruses. They can even tackle antibiotic-resistant bacteria. Clove oil has been shown to break open biofilms, which are protective layers around bacteria, allowing your immune system to kill the pathogens more effectively. Additionally, eugenol in cloves can starve pathogens of energy, preventing them from reproducing. Blood sugar control. Another fascinating benefit of cloves is their remarkable ability to regulate blood sugar levels. This tiny spice packs a punch when it comes to making insulin more sensitive, much like the diabetes medication metformin, but in a milder and natural form. For individuals managing diabetes, adding cloves to their diet can be a game changer. Eugenol, the active compound in cloves, plays a crucial role in enhancing insulin sensitivity, which helps the body use glucose more efficiently. This can lead to more stable blood sugar levels and improved overall metabolic health. Unlike synthetic medications, cloves offer these benefits without the risk of significant side effects, making them an excellent natural alternative or supplement to conventional treatments. Incorporating cloves into a diabetic-friendly diet is simple and versatile. You can sprinkle ground cloves into your morning oatmeal, add them to smoothies, or brew a comforting clove tea. The spice not only aids in blood sugar management, but also adds a warm, aromatic flavor to your meals. Beyond blood sugar regulation, cloves are also rich in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress, a common concern for diabetics. This dual benefit makes cloves a powerful addition to a holistic approach to managing diabetes. So, why not embrace this natural remedy and enjoy its multifaceted benefits for your health? Cancer-fighting properties. Cloves also exhibit cancer-fighting properties. Research, including lab and animal studies, has shown that cloves can inhibit the growth of cancer cells. While human studies are still needed, these initial findings are promising and suggest that cloves may have potential as a natural aid in cancer treatment. Liver detoxification. Cloves can also aid in detoxifying the liver by supporting the liver's natural detoxification processes. Cloves help to cleanse the body of harmful toxins and improve overall liver health. Blood thinning. Cloves are a versatile spice known not only for their culinary uses, but also for their impressive health benefits, particularly their blood thinning effects. Much like aspirin, cloves can help prevent dangerous blood clots, which are a significant risk factor for heart attacks and strokes. The key to this health benefit lies in a compound called eugenol, which is abundant in cloves. Eugenol works by inhibiting platelet aggregation, ensuring that the blood flows more smoothly and reducing the likelihood of clots forming. The blood-thinning properties of cloves make them a heart-healthy choice, particularly for individuals at risk of cardiovascular diseases. By naturally reducing the risk of clots, cloves help maintain a healthy blood flow, contributing to overall heart health. In summary, cloves are a small but mighty addition to a heart-healthy lifestyle. Their natural blood-thinning properties, coupled with their antioxidant benefits, make them a valuable ally in maintaining cardiovascular health and preventing serious conditions like heart attacks and strokes. So, consider making cloves a regular part of your diet for a simple and effective way to support your heart, mood boosting, and digestive health. Chewing cloves can also help boost your mood and improve digestive health. Cloves increase the production of certain enzymes that aid in digestion, providing relief from gas and bloating. This can lead to a happier, more comfortable you. Antioxidants and breath freshening. Cloves are packed with antioxidants, boasting a higher ORAC score than even blueberries. This means they can help protect your body from damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, cloves can decrease mucus production and improve bad breath, making them a natural breath freshener. How to use cloves. Now that you're aware of the incredible benefits of cloves, let's explore how to seamlessly incorporate them into your daily routine. Here are a few simple and effective methods. 1. Chew and swallow 1 clove daily. This is perhaps the easiest way to enjoy the benefits of cloves. Simply chew on a clove each morning and swallow it. This method helps in releasing eugenol, which aids in pain relief, inflammation reduction, and even blood sugar regulation. It's a quick and straightforward way to start your day on a healthy note. 2. Apply clove oil directly to an inflamed joint. For those who suffer from joint pain or arthritis, applying clove oil can be particularly beneficial. The eugenol in clove oil acts as a natural analgesic and anti-inflammatory agent. Gently massage a few drops of clove oil onto the affected area to experience relief from pain and inflammation. Make sure to dilute the clove oil with a carrier oil, like coconut or olive oil, to avoid skin irritation. 3. Grind cloves and add them to a smoothie. If you're a fan of smoothies, adding ground cloves can be a delicious and nutritious twist. Grind a few cloves and sprinkle the powder into your favorite smoothie recipes. Not only will this enhance the flavor, but it will also provide you with the numerous health benefits of cloves, from boosting your immune system to improving digestion. Incorporating these simple practices into your routine can help you harness the incredible health benefits of cloves and lead a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. Your body will thank you for it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Roco Diet for more health and nutrition tips. See you in the next video.